Okay, here we go. We're gonna spin to win. Kimry. All right. Move that one and do it again. Pato. Hurst. Barker. Wigfall. Cummings. Campbell. Swanova. Lida. All right, last one for today. Face on. All right, that's it for today. Look for your email about your t-shirt if you're one of the winners. Again, this is for those that completed the contact information survey that was emailed out and that has been in the newsletter. Just trying to make sure we have contact information after graduation. So look for that survey if you have not completed it, and you can be in the drawing next time.